Okay, so to make our wafer paper seal, this is a full wafer paper. As you know, we are making a wafer paper seal. So I'm doing exactly what I did on my cake. All you just need to do is cut your wafer paper. Now, whatever shape you cut your wafer paper is just the same way it's going to appear. Okay, so what I did was to make I actually cut love shapes. I wanted it to come in a kind of, you can still use this too. I wanted it to appear in a love shape, but apparently it can't be that way. So what we'll just be doing today is making it into like a kind of let it be in sizes. Okay, so I'm going to leave this way so that by the time we arrange them, it's going to be like their size is a kind of size. Okay, this too. All right, so I made use of different colors, but in this case maybe we can just use one color, or I'm going to make them. Okay, so this is just pure water. All right, and then I'll be adding what color do you think? Okay, so I'll be making this a shade of purple. So I'm just going to be adding some purple to my water. Okay, so this is purple that we have here. Okay, all right, so what I'll just do is I'll just dip in my wafer paper in it. All right, so now both sides are purple, and then I'll just be keeping it because I want this side to be longer. I'll just be making it so that it will appear just the way I want. When it dries, I'll just kind of fold it in this way. All right, I want the way you dry it is just the way it's going to appear. All right, so this is how it will be when it dries. All right, so that's one size down. Another size down. So you can see that we made squares. All right, all right, so this is one way of making them. So if you want to add maybe some difference to your wafer paper, all you need to do is maybe change the color. But what I'll be doing now is I'll just dip this here, and let me squeeze it in. Okay, all right, and then I'll be using a brush. Okay, so I'm going to take a brush now just to change the color gradient, and I will just go. Okay, so what we are going to have here is like a pattern kind of. Okay, I just want it to look a bit different. Okay, so when it dries, we'll just have a pretty color mixture. All right, so we just have one more to go. I'll be doing that here too. All right, so wafer paper is very delicate. As soon as it comes in contact with water, it becomes all mushy. All right, so this is our last one. So like we did to the others, I will be doing this here too. And so the next thing we got to do now is, so I decided to hype up this a little bit. If you notice, there are drops of gold around on top. I thought I was videoing it, but I just found out that it was not videoing. So all I did was to add some gold dust, and I added some edible spirit, and I just dabbed around. Okay, so let me just do it now so that you can see. Oh, okay, and this is what I did. Okay, to add some finesse to it. So we'll just wait for it to dry. Okay. Wafer paper seal. Our wafer paper seals are dry. You can see them. I've brought them out. They are ready to use. So what I want to do now is I'll be using some gold dust again. So I will be painting them to highlight them some more. Okay, so all right, so this is some gold dust. I'll just be adding some edible spirit to that. Okay, so just stir it, stir, right? And now what I'll be doing is just highlighting my edges just this way. Okay, I'll just be highlighting. I may have put a bit too much of edible spirit. Okay, okay, so I'll be doing this to all of them. Okay, so these are our seals. They are all ready. So you could stick them to your cake with glue or with, so I just want to show you how I'll be arranging mine. Okay, let's assume this is my cake. I'll be doing it this way. There are 3 different ways I want to do it. So this is the biggest one, this is the next biggest one, this way, or this way. I could arrange them like this. This is one option. You could arrange them in another option again. You could, okay, like this. This is another option. Or you could arrange them this way. So whatever way you arrange them, it's going to look lovely. I hope you try it, and I'll be posting another tutorial again very soon on how to make another style of wafer paper seal. Thank you.